Froot Loops. Na, nababawa kabalin, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Where in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our Where in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, we would like to thank Cookease Cookies for sending us 25 of their best cookies. Actually, sa market ngayon or sa online, nauuso na yung mga palm size cookies, which are really huge cookies, not the ordinary size cookies that we normally get, no? So, ito yung mga examples ng mga palm size cookies. These are around 120 grams. Imagine that, guys. So, isang cookie lang almost, you know, your complete merienda or your complete dessert for the meal. They are actually 25 pieces na mga cookies. So, I'm not gonna bore you introducing them one by one, but at the end of this video we're gonna publish the menu. So if you're interested to know more about the details of this, kung ano yung mga ingredient ng mga, you know, each flavor, we're gonna be publishing in detail. Anyway, so right now what I'm going to do is, I think I'm gonna pick like 4 or 5 cookies and then susubukan kong i-decipher kung ano yung taste or ano yung flavor nun. So, let me start with the obvious, okay? So, ang ginawa namin is group namin sila visually. So, we have like colorful cookies, we have dark cookies here, we have green, probably matcha series, mga ganyan. But again, at the end of this video, makikita niyo po yung mga series or yung mga groupings ng mga cookies nila. So, let's start with the obvious one. So, dito pa lang guys, may label na yung cookie natin. So, it's Oreo. Check that out. Oreos. Mr. Oreo or the Oreo guy. Of course, ito yung uunahin ko. Yeah, they are actually heavy in size, 120 grams for each. Wow. As you would anticipate, no, it's a little bit bitter because of, you know, the dark chocolate bloom cookie. And then it becomes creamy because of the added, you know, cream filling ng Oreo natin. Cookease Cookies started similarly dun sa mga businesses na nag-start ngayong pandemic. So out of yung resiliency natin as Pinoys that we want to start a business or we want to, you know, actively working on something. So ganun lang po siya nag-start. Owner nito has a pastry background and she started to crave for a particular cookie. Now, I think she wasn't able to find that particular cookie sa online or sa market. Hence, she started baking her own until started sa 8 cookies and then she added 4 and then she added yung mga series and iba-ibang groupings na, and then finally, ang daming pagpipilian. You have so many choices. Now, this one I think is a cereal. Yeah, so you have some Froot Loops, mga ganyan na cereal. So again, basing on obvious details, so I'm gonna go for this one. I think this is a cereal Froot Loop cookie naman. Oh! Tutti Frutti Froot Loops. Oo nga. So another obvious cookie na makikita natin dito, of course, are these matcha series. These are, colored green. Most of the time, I'm not generalizing, saying in particular na lahat ng green cookies are matcha. But in general, green cookies are matcha. Oh wow! So this one, again, it's matcha. And then gumamit siya ng dark chocolate chip. Another cookie here. So this is parang mga raspberry sila, maliliit. At the same time, meron tayong white chocolate. Oh, so it's soft. It's moist. Oh wow, I like it. It is a little bitter, medyo earthy, natural yung taste niya. But then again, yung white chocolate natin, when you eat it, wow, that's a game changer. Grabe. Again guys, this is a lot for me to taste. Another obvious cookie. So this is like ube. Well, from the look of it, so you have, meron tayong, I think these are again white chocolate. We have nuts. Now, ang dami niyang ingredients sa loob, guys. I hope you can see this. So again, you have white chocolate plus ube. Wow! So whenever I taste an ube flavor, something, anything, food, bread, cakes, cookies such as this, medyo naisip ko dyan yung mga native delicacies natin. So you get to eat yung mga favorite delicacies natin, yung flavor niya, these kinds of cookies. Guessing this is a red velvet. Wow, you have something in between. So it's like, I don't know, is it a cheese? Oh man. So there's a cheese inside it. Wow. So again, as expected, the cheese is a little bit salty and creamy. Yung cookie dough natin is sweet and a little bit bitter, I think. Parang ganun, no? The overall experience, it's a little bit out of the box, no? This is something you would really look forward. Okay, so lastly, I think I'm gonna go for... wow! Again, look at this cookie, guys. So you got some surprises din na makikita inside the cookie as soon as you unveil it or open it to taste. This one I like. Again, medyo soft yung cookie dough niya, a little bit moist compared to other yung mga natikman natin. And in the middle, meron tayong 2 slices of a cheese. Again, so guys, so let's check out some testimonials from their fan page, how really the customers love these cookies. Now, for those of you who are interested to know more about this and the flavors or the variants that they offer, check out these menus flashing on your screens right now. And for the details of orders and delivery, make sure to check out their fan page as well. So go to their fan page, it's flashing on your screens as well. So there you have it, guys. If you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up. You share it with your friends. So there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching We're in Pampanga. Until our next video, I'm gonna share this with my kids and my family. Peace. Bye-bye.